Hi everyone, I am Faith Hodges. I own Healing Hands Massage. I use ClinicSense and have been using ClinicSense since 2021, and I absolutely love it. It's so user-friendly. Everything on there is super easy. I love the Muscle Man and how I can pinpoint on my clinic soap notes every time that a client comes in and they might have a different issue. I can pinpoint on there and then go back and look the next time they come in where their last areas were. Are we still working the same thing? And I love that. For clients, it's so user-friendly. I normally don't have any issues with anything. I absolutely love using ClinicSense and the amount that it has gotten me through my business for people to be able to book online as well as buying gift certificates online is so nice because then people don't have to worry about scheduling with you to come get them. They can do it in the own comfort of their own home, which is amazing, and it gets you a lot more bookings. So I'm so thankful I joined ClinicSense and jumped over onto their bandwagon, and I'm very excited to continue on with my journey.